In this video, I will show with you how you can cancel Chaton AI subscription. So friends, if you want to cancel your subscription, follow me in this video guide. If you go to the general from here or the accounts, you can manage your subscription through this option. Go to subscribe. You can manage your subscription here. So I don't have a membership. So if you have a membership, you can cancel from here. You can manage subscription, and then you can use this form. Go to this sports stage form, click this form. Through this form, you can cancel your subscription, write your name, your email address, your amount of transaction, choose your amount here, last 4 digits from your card, then write this simple message, write a reason for cancellation. So after write your reason for cancellation, click on submit this option. So write or submit and then confirm your question details. This is how you can do, friends. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video. Go to the support from here and then go to billing and payments, cancel subscription, submit this form, write all details here, and then you click submit.